I am setting up my new Lenovo Windows 11 laptop. Looks good, man. The laptop is updating, yeah. So we are on the update process. I think we are still on 6%. This is the Windows 11 system recovery USB flash drive. Okay, they provide us with this one. So just in case we need to reinstall the software, we will be using this one. What I did, guys, I make it a point that the charging terminal is well kept. Okay, so I put some zip ties over here so it locks tidy. Okay, locks tidy. We plug in already the charger. So this is the charger. It is rated 45 watts. The input voltage is 20 volts AC on the primary side, 2.25 amperes. So this is the given manual here indicating the location of the buttons. These are the location of the USB buttons, our charging terminal, and this Lenovo here looks similar to my Apple computer, Mac Pro. We are still on the so-called update process. The software is updating, you know. The time now here is around 4:52 p.m. here in Los Angeles. So what is today? It's Tuesday. So maybe so many are using the internet. That's why the update process takes so long. We can start with this one and start with the quiz. While we are updating, we could do some things, you know. If your PC could be an emoji, which one would it be? We got a quiz here, guys. If your personal computer could be an emoji, which one would it be? Okay, Clatterboard. Artist Pali Robo Silicon. Yeah, this is my first time to encounter this here, so I'll take my guess. Artist Pali could be an emoji, Clatterboard, game controller, Oo. Question 106. Okay, we'll go back. Seems it's 30 days and that power I could not go with the quiz because the laptop is updating. It doesn't respond to the answers of the quiz. Later on, after the installation, okay. Okay, the progress chart is increasing. It's on 27% now. 35, 35%, 42%, 46, 47. That 52%. This is a Lenovo 15.6 IdeaPad. Okay, the software is Windows 11. I think it's provisional. The progress chart is on 67% now. I got this soft cloth here to always clean this one here. So my computers are actually Mac Pro, Apple, and this one here, I don't use the desktop anymore, so I'm using a laptop also using Windows 11. The last time around I got the desktop, okay, so I'll go to Windows 11 now. My other laptop there is Dell Studio 1537. The software of that one is Windows 10 still. But I bought a Windows 11 software. I don't know if I could install that Windows 11 to the old Dell Studio laptop. There are some hardware configurations that's needed for my old computer to accept Windows 11. So later on, after installing this one or after setting up this one, I'll try to continue setting up my old laptop, which is Dell 1537, Windows 10. I got a standby software there, Windows 11 Home Edition. So the download is on 99% already. The update is actually on the features of this new laptop, Windows 11 Pro, plus the security features. We needed those ones for this one to operate with security online. I don't know if there is an antivirus included with this one, but I got a subscription on malwarebytes.com for what they call this antivirus, and I got a tune-up thing already, a software tune-up thing. I got Total Defense, so I might install Malwarebytes here as an antivirus, and I will install Total Defense for the tune-up thing. So just in case the operation will get sluggish, I'll try to tune it up, because sometimes if you are online with the so many cookies that is being inserted or placed on our hard drive, those cookies actually interferes with our operation. So for it not to be sluggish, I usually use a tune-up thing, and for me I use a Total Defense tune-up software. Later on, I will install Malwarebytes here as an antivirus, and for the tune-up software, I will be using Total Defense. But I think for Windows 11, the antivirus is Windows 10 is Windows Defender. So in consonance with Windows Defender, I will be using a Malwarebytes antivirus. Anyway, Windows 11 accepts Malwarebytes and Total Defense. We are on the downloading process, 99%. So the next one will be the installation of the update. Then we could continue with the what do you call this installation, plus the setting up of my account for me to access this computer. Okay, because this will be my personal computer using Windows 11. My other computer is actually an Apple Mac Pro. Okay, the operation of that one is actually very efficient. It got no sluggish thing. Nobody's interfering with your push buttons while you are making a push button for it to operate. There's no sluggish thing on the Apple Mac Pro. But sometimes on Windows, there are so many things that could happen, Okay, that's it guys. While we are waiting for this to download and install the update on the features and the security features, I will shut off my camera now. Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is ProfDavidJDelosReyes. Actually, I am setting up my account on this new Lenovo IdeaPad Windows 11 Pro laptop. Okay, later on, if I am on the process of setting up, I will make another video again. Good afternoon from Los Angeles.